My name is Hemlata Namalai and I'm the founder and CEO of a company by name Ampere Vehicles. 90% of the scooters manufactured in India are all designed for the urban markets. Now they're over-engineered and they're expensive. Ampere Vehicles produces electric scooters for customers in rural markets. The charger we make, it has a feature called auto cutoff where it does not overcharge the batteries, because if it overcharges the batteries get bulged. We are also right now designing a battery BMS where people will be able to track the function of the batteries in their mobile. They'll be able to predict the characteristics of the battery, where's the nearest charging point, how much of battery is left, how far they can go. We've sold about 35,000 scooters. It is still very small compared to the large market size that we're operating right now.